7 to 2 a.m. here in Daphne, Alabama. We've been without power since 9 o'clock last night.
Our coast is vanishing day by day, and a big part of that is meteorology and hurricanes and weather. To be able to grow that coastal meteorology track, this is the future. The students that are in these classrooms, they've got to figure out some really complex issues when it comes to how our coast is evolving, climate change, all of those issues.
Thanks very much for joining us tonight. It's going to be a long couple of days.
I've been on for 21 years at WAFB and TV 25 total.
Made it into the eye of Hurricane Ian.
It gives you like experiences that happen here in Baton Rouge, and he's lived through the majority of them. So he's given us like personal stories, which it kind of adds a personal aspect to the class. Like a lot of professors can like look at a textbook, look at a PowerPoint and not experience any of it, but he's been firsthand experience with it.
Keeping an eye on the trajectory of that.
So there's a budding coastal meteorology program within the College of the Coast environment. The coast is so important where we are. There's real effort to try and offer some new courses. This is one of those new courses, mesoscale meteorology. The title sounds kind of scary, but it's really not that bad. We really want to give them that exposure to different elements in meteorology. Since we're in an area that experiences so many different types of weather, from those really bad hurricanes to severe storms to flooding, there's a lot of interest in this part of the world. We get to keep hopefully some of these really smart, bright kids here at home to learn about meteorology.